What's up guys, Alpha Husk here, back to another review. So a little bit different than I usually do, but I found this in my local store today, not today, but yesterday. Stepped by Walmart and found this on the peg, this weird looking rig FedEx truck by Matchbox. And I was looking on this to look for months. I finally found it. So happy. So let's get into this review. So first of all, look how big this is. This is very nice compared to my other FedEx truck. Let's see, it's a little bit longer. It's very nice. So look on the doors. If my camera was focused, there we go. Right. It says no cash on board, fedex.com, US DOT. It says RW053. DOT means Department of Transportation, just in case anyone didn't know about that. Then up here you got the mirror, and the numbers in the truck are 271149. On this side, it says Priority Earth Electric Vehicle. A lot of the detail on this, pretty nice. This says FedEx Express. If you guys didn't know about FedEx with their logo, if you look between the E and the X, that there's an arrow right there. Just a fun little fact. And on this side, we have a little green plug, because this is a fully electric vehicle. That's what the charge port will be on this vehicle. And it says FedEx Express with the same number as the truck and doors. No, doors on the front end. It's an electric vehicle with a nice green door. And a little plug here. And the door actually does open. It's kind of dark in there, but it is an empty spot. Very nice. And it says here in the corner, it says Bright Drop. And very nice back tail lights. What's up top. Here's the same thing on the other side. Very nice detailing. Well, it's a very nice model. Here's the front end. See, it says FedEx. I believe this is their logo. This is a Canadian delivery company that makes these trucks. It's a very nice model. Here is the look. Underneath of it, it says Bright Drop, Zevo 600, matchbox, and the little fashion date. A very nice model. This is one of my favorite working rigs. So, alright. So that was this truck right here. If the camera focus a little bit. And yeah. Please like and subscribe and comment what you think. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.